It's almost bath time and we're just relaxing at night. Some of us are relaxing more than others. Hi! Come on, play! And he's very, very busy. Oh no. She made a new word tonight. Blah, blah, blah.
Annie. Blah, 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 blah.
Can you do that?
Annie. Annie. Do it. Oh, she throws her hands.
She's just doing it on the wrong part of her body. We can all make funny sounds.
Hi.
And he's cruising toward her daddy. Aww. She loves making funny sounds. Do you think she thinks she's talking?
Hi, baby.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Annie, look. Are you ready for your bathins? Are you gonna have a bath? You have squash all in your eyebrows, you know. Aw, cute girl. She still can't get that out. It's stuck in there.